Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram block list without unblock. So first of all, open Instagram account, tap on the profile icon, look at the right corner, tap on the three line, settings and privacy, scroll down, click on blocked, and now take a screenshot. Tap on the back icon, click on help, tap on report a problem, and close this screenshot and upload your take screenshot. And type here to description box and type here to this title and click on send, and then Instagram support team automatically delete Instagram block list without unblock. This is a one and only way. That's how we can easily delete Instagram block list without unblock. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.